Yes, welcome back, children, to the Craft Academy, Crafting Young Minds, and we're to the grammar class. Okay, and we've seen active, passive, done all this. Tomorrow onwards, we'll be starting MOV, right? Are you listening? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, last
Yes,
time
ma'am.
you
Yes,
gave yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Be ready.
Yes.
Yes. We are with 14.9. Okay, students. 14.8 was the last. She buys a book. Book is bought by her. Two objects are there and followed by prepositions. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Request, command, or entreaty. Do you remember this?
Command.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
be very careful. Next time when we have the grammar examination, you need to go in for all this very carefully. Miscellaneous is done. 14.9. Yes, we were here. Now you are doing the assignments.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay,
Ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
That last boy said no. My goodness, so this is done also. Huh? There's something which happened here. Just take care in your books. Go for your books. Go for your books. 14.9. Keep your books in front of you. $14.9. Okay. You try. I'll ask you first five. Do quiet reading. Do the quiet reading. Okay. First five. You'll have to keep your books closed and then answer me. Okay, ready? The first one, the little girl laughed at the clown. What is a clown?
Joker.
Yes.
Joker.
Joker.
So what will be? What will come the answer?
The clown was laughed by the little girl.
Oh, very good.
The clown was laughed at by the little girl.
Yes, very good. Who is that? Ganesh who told the answer? Who was that who told the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, where did you forget 80 at? The clown was laughed at by the little girl. Don't forget the word at. Okay.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
next one. They know it.
It was known to
It
them.
was known
It was known. It was known. It was known
to them.
To
to
them.
them. To
To
them.
them.
Okay. Hmm. Next. The pot contains ink.
Ink is contained in the pot.
It is contained in the pot.
Don't say by the pot, in the pot, because the contents will be inside. Okay. Yes. Next. The matches are the masons are building the house.
The house is being built by the masons
Why
By
it
this
is being built? Because what tense it
because
is?
it is continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
And what tense? Past,
continuous
present,
tense.
future. Past, present, or
Present.
future?
Present.
Yes. So
Present
present
continuous.
continuous tense.
Present.
Yes. Read the next. Read the next five. Okay. This one. Yes, that I will. Very less is there in this. Mm-hmm. Whole means look. One minute. Full finish. बहुत जल्दी करना I will take transformation. Okay, yes, students. So that was the next one. Then ink is contained in this pot. Okay, don't forget it is this, because this pot contains ink. The masons are building. Who is a mason? One should build a house, right? The house is being built. Yes. Now next one. They say the minister has arrived. Girls.
It is said that the minister has arrived.
Okay. That the minister has arrived. Why you say has? Why will you say has? Why will you say
Because it
has?
is present tense.
One more, some more. Any answer?
Because it is present perfect tense.
Yes, but I want another answer here. They say, see, it is they say that the minister has arrived. Yes, you are right, it is perfect. But it is said that the minister has arrived. Now, I just want you, because we have seen, you are a 9th standard, right? So, we have seen in the nouns, gender, then plural, singular, plural, all that number and all. So, I want to tell you this, that the minister has, because singular. Okay, if it be more than one, we will say have. Well, we are concerned here also, it is the perfect tense. Active passive than this one. I expected, boys, I expected to finish the work by noon.
The work was expected to be finished by me.
Ganesh, my dear, I think you are careless. To be finished. Okay, so here be, not be. Okay, the work was expected to be finished by me, because why? It is the pronoun I. By me, by noon. Have you seen? By me and finished by me and by noon. Okay. And this exercise is very short. We will be doing afterwards. the other one transformation, okay, from your total English. Okay, active passive, this one. Please bring me a pen, girls.
Let a
Let a pen be
pen
brought
be
to
brought to
me,
me,
please.
please. Let a pen be brought to me, please. Let a pen be
One,
brought.
yes. Now, please, have you seen there? It is a request. So, it is what type of sentence? Imperative sentence.
Imperative.
Okay.
Imperative.
Let a pen be brought to me, please. Brought to me, please. Okay. Now see the punctuation here, and that punctuation you don't put, half a mark is gone. Be careful. Next will be grammar test. Do you teach Mohan, boys?
Is
Is
Mohan taught
Mohan
by
taught
you?
by
One taught
Is
by
Mohan taught by you?
Yes. Is Mohan taught by you? There is a question mark. Girls, who has done this?
by whom has
By
this been
whom has
done?
this been done?
See, has this been done? Okay. And don't forget the question mark. Okay. Someone has stolen my cash box, boys.
my cash
My cash
box
box has
has
been
my
stolen.
cash box
Has been stolen.
Yes. By someone it is understood. Okay. Sometimes the subject is understood. Okay. One should keep one's promises.
Promises
Promise
should
should
be
be
kept.
kept.
So it is so simple. Promises should be kept. No
Kept.
need to write by one and all that. So one should keep. One means a person should keep one's promises should be kept. It is so simple a sentence. Boys, the enemy has captured the city.
The city
the
has
city
been
has
City has
captured.
been captured.
Okay, has been captured. Okay, by the enemy is understood. Okay, even if you write that in bracket, the city has been captured by the enemy, then also there is no problem. If you don't write, then also it's okay. Okay, now exercise 1. Girls will tell first, I kept him waiting. Answer. I want the answer. Now comes the exercise, it's not
He was
illustrative. Yes, tell
he
me.
was being kept waiting by me.
I kept him waiting. He was,
He was kept in waiting by me.
yes,
Kept being waiting by me.
he, I kept him waiting. He was being kept, B-double-E-N, being kept waiting by me. The noise frightened the lamb.
The lamb was frightened by the noise.
Yes, very good. Who is this? Ganesh? Ganesh
Swayam.
is Swayam. Okay, there's the difference between the words. Okay, that's correct. The noise frightened the lamb. Very simple. This will be the subject. The lamb was frightened by the noise and ed will be there. That is the past tense, right? The kind-hearted woman is helping the orphans.
The orphans are
The
being helped
orphans
by the
Helped by the
kind-hearted woman.
kind-hearted woman.
Let's see again. The kind-hearted woman is helping. Therefore, it is present continuous tense. The orphans. What will come? Is or are?
Are are
Very good.
helping.
are
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 helping? Are helping?
Are
Are?
being helped.
Being helped.
Yes.
are being
Yes,
helped
very good.
by the
Are being,
kind-hearted woman.
yes, are being helped by the kind-hearted woman, because here it is the present continuous tense and this is the plural gender. So here it will come, when here it is put the woman is helping, but when you make this into the subject, the orphans are being helped. Are being helped by the woman. Boys, Ram has chosen a book.
A book
a
is
book is
Chosen by Ram.
A book has been,
has been chosen by Ram.
yes, good.
Chosen by
Now,
Ram.
yes, now what I will do? Individually you will give answer. एक एक जन करके, ठीक है? Now, next, this boy will answer. Only Ganesh. Only Ganesh. Okay. I want to see how much you know. The officer offered him a job. Ganesh will
A
answer.
job is offered by the officer.
Swayam, help him. Swayam, no, what's your name? Just now you said.
Sure. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Swayam.
A
You
job
tell.
was a job was offered by the officer. A job was offered to him by the officer.
Yes, did you hear this boy? Can you hear individually? That boy, Ganesh, can hear what Swayam said?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it is, yes. Fine, fine. So, a job was being offered, right? The officer offered him a job. A job was offered to him by the officer. Not was offered to him, offered to him by the officer. We'll pronounce it as THEDY because O is a vowel. Girlie, now who is this? Rishita, or who is that girl who is there? The one who didn't answer. Who is the girl who answered this before? Before some girls answered. So many girls answered. Open the door. One girl will answer.
Let the door be opened.
What's your name? Shreya or Shrija?
Shrija.
Shrija, now you will not open your mouth. Okay? Because you are knowing I want your friend. Who is that other girl?
Richa.
Richa, yes, I caught you now. Richa, it's your turn now. You are asking me questions. Now you tell me the answer. Open the door.
Let the door be opened.
Very good. Let the door be open or
Open.
opened? Open.
Open.
ED. Yes, ED. Let the door be opened. You are ordering someone. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Okay, Richa? Yes. Now, boy. After Ganesh, who is the other one, boy?
Ma'am, can I?
Who is that?
Ma'am,
What's your
can I?
name? What's your name?
Ma'am, Jan Lakshya.
Sanil.
Okay, okay, fine. Who teaches you English?
Ma'am, can
English
I?
was taught by English was taught to you by whom?
Who is
Ma'am, can
this?
I?
Wait. Who is this small boy?
Ma'am,
Boy
can
or
I?
girl? Who is that girl
Ma'am,
or boy
can
who
I?
answered? Wait. Who answered me just now? Who answered? Come on. Tell me your name. You are not telling. Okay, fine. Yes, can you? You
Ma'am,
say.
can I?
Yes. Say. Who
By
teaches you English?
whom?
Yes.
By whom English is taught to you?
Some grammatical mistakes. Come on. Is this Shreya? Shrija.
Ma'am, Sanil.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
No. That Swayam. Come on,
Can
say.
I?
Swayam, say.
By whom is English being taught to you?
By whom is English? Who teaches you? By whom is English taught to you? Is when you say is teaching na Swayam and all the children who are there, girls, boys, when the statement is who is teaching, okay, then you will say is being taught. But here it is simple question, who teaches you English? By whom are you taught English? And put a question mark. Okay, next girl, excepting Shrija, another girl. He objected strongly to my proposal. Come on, it is my proposal. That is, this is not a plural. Okay, he.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell,
Ma'am, can
tell.
I?
Okay, tell
My
me.
proposal was strongly objected by him.
He. What is that? Whose proposal?
My proposal.
Yes. Lovely. Say again. My proposal.
My proposal was strongly objected by him.
It is Shrija, right?
No, ma'am, Richa.
Richa. Okay. Fine. Fine. Good. 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 Okay. You're doing the work. So my proposal is yes, was strongly objected by him. Okay. Yes. Now another boy accepting Ganesh and what is that? Was Swayam and another boy. Anyone else? He did not kill the snake. Come on, this will become the subject. Hey, where is this boy Tanish? Tanish Garg is there today? Tanesh? There or not?
No, ma'am, he's not there.
Oh, he's not
Not
coming.
there.
He's not coming to the class at all. Very nice. Mhm. Okay, come on, anybody else? He did not
Ma'am,
kill
can
the
I?
snake. Who is that? Tell me your
Ma'am,
name.
can I?
Who is that?
Ma'am, may I?
The Fennel did not. Ma'am, Fennel.
Ma'am,
Fennel, Fennel, yes, Fennel. I am not hearing at all from you. Come on. The snake. Come on, boy, Fennel, tell. He did not kill the snake.
The
Past?
snake was. The snake was not killed by him.
Yes. Who said this answer?
Ma'am, Fennel.
Fennel. Good, good. The snake was not killed by him. He did not kill the snake. The snake was not killed. Ed will come. Put the past tense, right? May I see this map? Now Richa
Ma'am,
is
can
over
I?
this one, this one. Who is that? The one
ma'am,
who
can
says
I?
can I
Ma'am,
know? Girls, girls, girls may say.
ma'am, Richa.
रिचा रिचा
Yes.
सिवाय और कौन है बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं यू आर नॉट टेलिंग मी नेम्स कम ऑन कम फॉरवर्ड हु इज
Ma'am, can I?
गर्ल्स nobody
Ma'am,
yes may I see this map Richa
Ma'am,
come on say
may this map be seen by me?
very good may I see this map may this map be seen why be seen b double e not b double e b e be seen be seen by me helping verb okay be seen by me and you'll put a question mark or full stop or what
Question mark.
don't
Question
forget
mark.
this
Question
question mark
mark.
okay
Question mark.
yes reward your servant for his courage in the boys
Your servant will be rewarded for your courage.
Your
कौन है
servant
ये
must
बंदा
be courage
Your servant.
rewarded
who said this
for his
answer
courage.
first
I am Sujal.
Shrujal, okay, you are after so many days I've heard your voice, I don't even know, okay. Reward your servant for his courage. Your servant, yes, who said this answer? Your servant,
Your servant must be rewarded for his courage.
or if at all you want to remove and put another, because must, you can use another word also. Reward your servant for his
Your
Be,
courage.
servant
should
should
be.
be.
Yes, that
Should be.
should because it is a must. MUST must है ये. Because that person should be rewarded. Okay? Where can is there, you shouldn't put can. Then there is a yes, you can or you cannot, you may not, like that. So reward your because it is just straightforward statement. Reward your servant for his courage. Your servant should be rewarded for his courage. Okay. Saddle the horse. Okay. इसके
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Let the
wait.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Wait.
may
wait.
Saddle.
नहीं नहीं सबसे पहले listen. Let me ask you this. What is the meaning of saddle?
for
Ma'am, can I?
the with the help of we sit on a horse.
और
It is
दूसरा एक चीज
on his
मैं
back.
मैं तुम्हें कहना चाहती हूँ this one here, this is it is not become a horse. I want to just tell you that this na, they are putting something like that at the side of the horse. जानते हो आप वो क्या है? वो कहते हैं ना they are,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ वो क्या कहते हैं इसको?
Ma'am, leather like.
Yes.
Leather.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
you know why the horse's attention shouldn't go here or there. It should be straightforward. जैसे कहते हैं ना you have to जवान पे लगाम रखो. Okay, so you have to keep a type of a stoppage over here that the eyes may not go hither or thither, right? It is looking like a camel somewhat, right? So it has to put a yeah, close it like that, so it need not look here or there, just walk, I mean run, it runs, right? Now here saddle the horse.
Let the horse be saddled.
Let the horse be
Let the horse be saddled.
saddled. Okay, really saddle is the place where you just climb up and sit, you know, there, saddle the
Yes,
horse.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
where they you are climb and sit. How many of you have gone horse riding?
Ma'am, I.
Oh,
Hi.
Me also. My.
okay, good at Kankaria, right? Very nice. They
Yes,
elected,
ma'am.
good. They elected him minister.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Can
can
I was
I?
elected?
Can I?
Among the boys,
Can I? Ma'am, can I?
don't speak like this. If you speak like this, it is getting confused. You know, among the
Ma'am, can
boys,
I?
they elected him minister.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Can
fine.
I?
Was elected by
Ma'am,
them.
can I?
He was
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Don't make it
Ma'am,
too
can
easy.
I?
Ma'am, can I?
Who is the one who asked in the girls? Yes, that
Ma'am,
last
Fennel.
boy. Last boy.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Fennel say.
Ma'am,
Fennel
can
say.
I?
The
Fennel say.
minister was the
Yes.
minister the minister was elected by them.
Yes, the minister was elected by them. Even if you don't put by them, no, here the subject could have been understood. The minister was elected by them also. You can put.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we write?
Ma'am, where is him?
Ma'am, he was elected. Yes, ma'am.
I said no, the minister was elected by him. They elected him minister.
Ma'am, can we write he was elected
Ma'am,
minister
can we
by
write?
them?
He was
Ma'am,
elected
can we write
minister by
he was
them.
elected as minister by them?
No, he was elected minister. He was
By them.
yes. What is that? Where is him? That he himself, that we are saying he only, no. Somebody asked where is him gone. So when you put it in the passive, he, it becomes he. Okay? He was elected minister by them. If you don't put by them also, subject is understood. Okay, someone was asking me something. What is that? That's okay. You
This
can.
only.
Yes. Okay, now in the girls, now here they elected, that's fine. They elected him minister, that's done. Boys are holding a debate in the
Ma'am,
school.
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Yes, who is that?
Ma'am, can I?
Girls.
Ma'am, Anushka.
Anushka,
Ma'am,
yes.
Anushree. Ma'am, Anushka.
Anushka, say the
A
answer.
debate is being held for boys in the school hall.
Okay, boys are holding a debate in the school hall. A debate, you will start with this. A debate.
A debate is being held for boys in the school hall.
Very good. A debate is being held. Very fine. You all will get good marks in grammar if your sentences, including your punctuation and handwriting, be right. Okay, be careful, boys. A debate is being held in the school hall for the boys. Okay, or you can put the boy for the boys before also, no problem. Now among the boys, Fennel is done, then this one, Swayam.
Ma'am, can I?
Which is the boy who didn't get the chance? I don't want any other, can I? The boy who didn't get a chance.
Can I?
What's your name? You just tell me a name. Tell me a name so I will know it. The teacher forwarded the application to the headmaster. Who can try in the
Ma'am,
boys?
can I?
Can
Okay.
I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can I?
Ma'am, Fennel.
Boys,
Ma'am,
boys.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Yes.
Ma'am, Fennel.
The application was
Fennel.
forwarded to.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Yes.
The application was forwarded to the master by the teacher.
Ma'am, Fennel.
Yes. Fennel, say the answer.
The application was forwarded by the teacher to headmaster.
Don't
To the
forget.
headmaster.
Yes. Don't forget the. The application was forwarded to the headmaster by the teacher. Fine. Now, girls, Atlanta ran a race.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. First
Fennel.
girl.
Ma'am, Shri.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I?
श्रीजा
Ma'am,
श्रीजा
Fennel.
देखो
Ma'am,
आप लोग
Fennel.
इस तरह बोलोगे ना इस तरह बोलोगे ना then it will be confused. Dhanashri didn't get a chance. Dhanashri say whose mic?
A race,
Wait.
a race was
Somebody's mic is on and too much of noise is there. Be careful. Yes. Atlanta ran
a
a
race
race.
was
Yes, say.
a race was run by Atlanta.
A race was ran by Atlanta.
Now this one word is wrong. Come on, another girl try.
A race was run by Atlanta.
Yes, R. What will come? R.
RUN.
Yes.
UN.
Because this is past participle and you are taking the helping verb was run. Was run. So a race was run by Atlanta. Okay. Come on, in the boys.
The exile is not
The
feared by
exile was
her.
not feared by her.
The exile is not
She does
feared by
not
her.
fear. She does
By
not
her.
fear the exile. She does not fear exile.
The
Exile.
exile was not feared
Exile
by
is
her.
not feared by
She
her.
does not.
Exile
Just
was
a
not feared
simple
by her.
does not. She does
Is
not fear the exile. Exile is
Exile was not feared by her.
okay. She does not fear. Exile is not also. She does not fear the exile. Exile was not feared. If you say was, you have to write here feared. Exile was not feared by her. Or exile, or you can say like this, she is not afraid of. Then you have to change the form. She is not afraid of exile. Okay. Because fear means afraid. Okay. Uh, his behavior vexes me.
Ma'am, can
Boys,
I?
boys, जो can I बोल रहे हो ना उनका तुम अपना नाम बोलो, ठीक है?
Ma'am, Anushka.
अनुष्का, boys बोले तो अनुष्का से, come on, अनुष्का से.
I am I am vexed by his behavior.
Okay, now boys girls को एक सवाल है, ये vexes का meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of vexes? Yes, anyone? Any idea? His behavior, ठीक है? In the boys, anybody can say this answer?
Ma'am, Anushka.
Anushka.
Ma'am, when we feel annoyed by something,
Okay, annoyed or makes what? Makes angry.
irritating.
Irritating. Fine. His behavior vexes me, makes me angry, makes me irritated, etc. Fine. So that's right. His behavior vexes me. I am vexed by
Vexed by his behavior.
his behavior. He is watching us.
We are being watched by him.
We are being watched by her. By him.
Yes, we are. And what will come? Is
we are being
We
watched
are
by
Being
him.
watched by him.
We are being watched by him. Okay?
him.
Yes. HIM. Now, did he catch the noon train?
Ma'am Anushka.
Is noon train
Ma'am Shrija. Ma'am Anushka.
Noon train catch by him.
Now, girls, these girlies are at least doing the work. I have got only 3 boys here. One is Swam, other is, what is that? Fenil. Fenil is boy, right?
Ma'am, I'm girl.
Fenil is girl. What's your name? Fenil?
Fenil.
Fenil. My goodness. So Fenil. Fenil is girl because when I was teaching SDA that Fenil was boy. Fine. No wonder I'm wondering how these boys keeping on answering. So you are a girl. Generally boys don't answer. That is it is general, okay. Few exceptions are there. Don't worry, boys. Okay, like Swam is there. Swam has answered any? Swam has not come
Yes,
today?
ma'am.
Okay, Swam, then Ganesh. Ganesh is, you have to work hard, right? Who is the other boy? Who answered?
Ma'am, Ayan.
Who? Ansh. Ansh has answered?
Ma'am, Ayan.
Ayan, Ayan.
Yes,
Ayan.
ma'am.
And who else? Ayan has not answered, I think. Have you answered? Ayan,
Yes,
come
ma'am.
on. You answer this, Ayan. Did he catch the noon train? Come on, Ayan, answer.
Is the noon train catch by him?
No, my dear, wrong.
Ma'am Anushka. Ma'am Anushka.
Anushka,
Ma'am
no,
Shrija.
let these boys answer, my dear girls. Boys are not working. Yes, another one.
Ma'am,
Is noon train catch by him?
हाँ माय डियर, मैंने आपको बोला ये जो वर्ब का चैप्टर है ना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. So you have to read the verbs by yourself. No other boy who can answer? Swam, where is Swam gone? Come on, answer this.
Yes,
boy.
Can I?
ma'am.
Yes, yes, tell.
Is the
Did the
noon
noon
train
Ma'am
catch by him?
Ma'am Anushka. Ma'am Shrija.
Anushka, fine.
Was the noon train caught by him?
Did he catch the noon train? Okay.
Was the noon train caught by him?
Caught, right? Boys,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the past tense of catch? Caught. C here. Caught. आप लोग ये कह रहे हैं CATCHED catched. हाँ, ये मत करो. This is be wrong. Catched नहीं. CAUGHT. Caught. Okay, dear boys and girls also. Be
Okay,
careful.
ma'am.
So
Okay,
all
ma'am.
of you work very hard in grammar क्योंकि एक आंसर के लिए if there are some mistake that whole thing will be gone, even half a mistake also it will be wrong. Fine, now next we have to rewrite the sentence in the active form. This will be quite easy. He is being deceived by his own friends. Now we'll say
Ma'am Shrija.
His own friends deceived him.
wait. We will do three at a time because you people are not getting the chance. At the same time, you're making mischief and mistakes and all such things. 3 girls. He is being deceived by his own friends.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
3 girls.
Ma'am, can
3
I?
girls. कोई भी 3 girls. Yes.
Can I?
His own friends are
His own
deceiving
friends
him.
are deceiving him.
Yes. Wait, he is being deceived, right? So, is being deceived जो है present continuous tense है, ठीक है? तो his own friends are deceiving him.
Deceiving him.
Yes. Deceiving का मतलब क्या है बच्चे?
धोखा देना.
To
धोखा
cheat.
देना, to cheat, very good. To deceive, fine, good. Boys, 3 boys. Prince Hamlet was welcomed by the people. Yes, boys, 3 boys.
People welcomed to
People
the
welcomed Prince Hamlet.
2 क्यों आना चाहिए?
The people has welcomed the Prince Helmet.
Helmet
the
क्यों?
people welcomed Prince Hamlet.
People welcomed Prince Hamlet.
Prince Hamlet.
My dear boys, ये हेलमेट चार्ल्स का मत
Hamlet.
लाओ। हेमलेट है ये क्या? HEMLET हेमलेट। ठीक है, ये बहुत
Hamlet,
बढ़िया।
Hamlet चारों तरफ।
यस, बहुत बढ़िया प्ले है शेक्सपियर का। ठीक है, हेमलेट। हेमलेट का हेलमेट मत करो। ओके, एंड यू पीपल आर वेरी केयरलेस माय डियर बॉयज। बी केयरफुल, यू आर केयरलेस। Who
મને
is
આ
that?
નહીં આવતું લાલો.
Who is that boy
Red
who
Dead
made that
Redemption.
hello? Who is that? Tell me. Now this boy has to keep a watch on all this and write and give me the names. Okay? I'll ask Zahir sir who all are mischievous. You'll automatically get less marks. Mind you. Boy, who gave the answer? Prince Hamlet was welcomed by the people. Let the boys only answer. Girls don't answer. Come on, tell me, boys.
Ma'am, if boys will not answer, we will answer.
Okay, let's see. Give one chance. Boys, tell me. Only one boy will say. तीनों एक साथ बोलते हो ना, सब गड़बड़ी हो जाता है।
The people has welcomed the Prince Hamlet.
The people has अच्छा, दूसरा बंदा
Welcome
बॉयज में, that is grammatically wrong somewhere. Okay, another boy. Who is the boy who just now answered?
Sujal.
Shrujal. Shrujal. Fine. Who is the other boy? Next boy.
People was welcome.
Sujal.
Okay.
Helmet.
People gone, chance gone. And where is that article? The boys. Third
Ma'am,
chance.
the people welcomed
Hmm?
by was
आप लोग है ना, जब ये इलस्ट्रेटिव एग्जांपल्स करते हैं ना, आप लोग ध्यान नहीं देते हो।
The
Right?
people welcomed the Prince Hamlet.
Hamlet. Who is that boy who spoke?
Sujal.
Shrujal, you only said helmet instead of Hamlet. Be careful. Okay, fine. You said the last correct answer. Now, girls, one of the girls who is there, not Anushka, the other one girl.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Anushka. Ma'am, Anushka.
Anushka, tell the answer.
Ma'am, Hamlet.
Again, चलो reading करते question.
The people welcomed Prince Hamlet.
Okay, Prince Hamlet was welcomed by the people. The people welcomed Prince
Hamlet.
very simple as that, right? The plan,
Yes, ma'am.
girls, the plan has been approved of.
Ma'am,
Say,
Anushka.
approved of
Ma'am,
by
Shreya.
the
Ma'am, Anushka.
Shreya
Ma'am.
say, by the subcommittee. Okay,
The
Shreya.
subcommittee approved the plan.
Very simple.
Ma'am, Anushka.
The
Ma'am,
subcommittee. One
Ma'am,
minute.
Anushka.
Okay, Anushka, tell.
The subcommittee has approved the plan.
Okay, the subcommittee, the plan has been fine. The subcommittee has approved. Now, ED, don't forget, my dear, has approved the plan. Fine. Now, the boys, I have been given much cause of anxiety. First and foremost, let us get the meaning of it. What is anxiety, children? Anxiety.
Stress.
Nervousness.
Okay, fine,
No.
that's
Nervousness.
correct. Okay,
Curiosity.
very good, very good. Now, among the boys, who will answer? I have been given much cause for anxiety. Okay. That is I have been given cause. Given much cause. Now, if you don't study, boys, girls, आप लोग अगर study नहीं करोगे, तो you will become the cause of anxiety. For whom, my dear? For your whom?
Parents.
Yes, boys, your brothers, all of you are listening. So you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
yes, you will be cause of anxiety. So yes, now tell me the answer. One of the boys, I have been I have been given much cause for anxiety. That I was just giving an example. Now tell me the answer.
Much cause of anxiety has given by me.
Mm-hmm. Has. Where is this? You forgot. Much cause of anxiety has been. Okay.
Given to me.
Yes. Now tell the whole answer again.
Much cause of anxiety has been given to me.
Yes. What is that? Who is that boy?
Sujal, ma'am.
Shrujal. Shrujal or Shrujal?
Sujal, Sujal.
Sujal. Very good. Very good. Swayam is absent today?
No, ma'am, I am there.
You only are Swayam. Okay, I have been. Okay. Did you understand? Girls will repeat the same sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gali. Who is this? Yes.
Someone has given me much cause of anxiety.
Okay. Much cause of anxiety has been given by someone to me. इस तरह लिख सकते हो. Okay. Is it Anushka who said or?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm
वापस
Anushka.
बोलो. वापस बोलो ये आंसर.
Someone has given me much cause of anxiety.
Oh yes, yes. Someone has given me much cause of anxiety. So now we have yes. Answer the phone in the
Ma'am,
yes.
second.
Yes. Okay. Someone has given me much cause of anxiety also, or much cause of anxiety has been given to me. That's also okay. Has been given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can provide the subject also. No problem. The
Okay, ma'am.
student was granted permission by
Ma'am,
the
Fenil.
Fennel. Okay.
The
Fennel, na?
teacher.
Yes. Tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am. The teacher granted permission to the students.
Fine, very simple. The student was granted permission by the teacher. The teacher granted permission
To the students.
to the student. Simple. Okay. Now, boys, have my orders been carried out by you? Sixth number, boys.
My
Have
orders should be carried out.
my dear. Who
Ma'am,
is
can
that?
I?
Who is
Ma'am,
that boy?
Anushka.
No, no, Anushka. I want these boys.
Ma'am, Richa.
Richa, are you a boy, my dear? Come on, boys. Boys are not trying, so I'm telling them. Swam, who is your other brother who doesn't work? Who doesn't work? Ask the he has not opened his mouth also. Who is that? So many boys are there.
My order must be carried out by you.
Okay. Now, where is the question? Have my orders been carried out by you? Nobody else from the boys? और कोई
My
नहीं?
order has been carried out by
Are
you.
my orders being
My
carried
dear,
out by
आपने
you?
ये क्वेश्चन को स्टेटमेंट में बदल दिया पूरा. क्वेश्चन फॉर्म ही होना चाहिए. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का मतलब क्या है?
Are my orders carried by you?
My order have been carried by you.
कौन है ये? जो लास्ट
Sujal.
शुजल
Sujal.
Have you carried my orders?
ओके. ये कौन है जो लास्ट बंदा दिया आंसर?
Richa.
रिचा. यस. हैव माय ऑर्डर्स बीन कैरीड बाय यू? Now you are. I have just pointed out this word have because you have to start with HAV have. ये कौन बंदा लास्ट लास्ट आ रहा है? Have my have. Come on, say this answer.
Have my orders been carried by you? By you.
Have you carried my orders? Question
Yes,
mark.
very good, very good. Come on, bike. Slowly put man. Have you carried out my orders? Okay, so that's right.
Question
Come on.
mark.
Question mark. Don't forget the question mark. Okay. Now, okay. Now, boys and girls, what we will do it from number 7 onwards. Okay, 7 onwards. We will you will do it as assignment, that is your homework. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
From
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, my dear. So wait, one minute. I was want to see. Okay, there's lot many. Fine. So you have to do that, huh? So right from
Yes,
7,
ma'am.
you will be completing all on your own. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you a lot, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am. Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.